Hey, teenagers. Want a quick and easy routine to keep you glowing even on the busiest days? From school mornings to chill evenings, I've got you covered with natural, simple, and super effective steps. Let's dive right in. First things first, whether you have school or not, waking up early is a game changer. No more snoozing that alarm 10 times. Just make sure you're getting 7 to 8 hours of beauty sleep.
Next up, start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. It's refreshing, detoxifying, and gives you that inside-out glow. Rinse your face with lukewarm water. Let's not forget, brushing your teeth. No one likes bad breath, and a fresh smile equals major confidence boost.
Alright, you've survived the day. Now it's time to refresh. Start by cleansing your face to get rid of all that dirt and sweat. You can use the same face wash from the morning, 2 days in a week. Take steam for 3 to 5 minutes to open pores. Add a few drops of essential oils like tea tree or lavender if available. Make a natural face pack from gram flour with a pinch of turmeric and yogurt and rinse it after 10 to 15 minutes. Lastly, here are some general tips. Tip number 1. Choose fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds for glowing skin. Avoid junk food and sugary drinks. Tip number 2. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep daily. Tip number 3. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Tip number 4. Do not touch your face with your hands all the time. Prevent transferring dirt and bacteria from your hands to your face. And that's it, the ultimate teen routine to keep you glowing and growing. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Until then, stay glowing.